The best wreath storage container can make all the difference in preserving your seasonal decoration. With the right storage, your wreaths stay in great condition year after year, saving you time and money. In this video, we'll explore top options designed to keep your wreath safe, organized, and easy to access. Let's dive into the best wreath storage solutions for a hassle-free holiday season. Hearth and Harbor Wreath Storage Container. If you're looking for a sturdy and reliable solution to store your wreath, the Hearth and Harbor Wreath Storage Container is a top contender. This premium storage box is designed with hard-shell walls to keep your wreath safe from dust, moisture, and physical damage. The 24-inch size is perfect for standard wreaths, but there are other sizes available to accommodate larger options. What stands out about this storage container is its thoughtful design. It features dual zippers for easy access and reinforced handles that make carrying it a breeze. Inside, you'll find removable pockets that are great for storing wreath accessories, ensuring everything stays organized. The non-woven fabric is durable enough to last through multiple holiday seasons, while the rigid construction helps maintain the wreath's shape and structure. Whether you're storing it in a closet, attic, or garage, this storage container keeps your wreath in pristine condition until the next season. Its durable build, convenient features, and practical design make it a must-have for anyone looking to protect their holiday decoration. If you want your wreath to stay safe year after year, this container is definitely worth considering. Thumbs up. Handy Laundry Wreath Storage Bag. If you're looking for a reliable and durable solution to store your holiday wreaths, the Handy Laundry Wreath Storage Bag is an excellent choice. Made from robust tarp-like fabric, this bag is built to last and protect your wreaths, garlands, and other seasonal items from dust, dirt, and pests. The bag's spacious design comfortably accommodates wreaths up to 24 inches and offers enough room to store additional decorations. The full zipper opening provides easy access to your wreaths, ensuring hassle-free placement and removal. Sturdy handles make carrying and transportation a breeze, whether you're storing it in the garage or taking it with you for a holiday event. Despite its affordability, the bag doesn't compromise on quality, offering long-term durability at a very reasonable price point. With a 4.6-star rating from over 14,000 satisfied customers, this storage bag is well regarded for its practicality and protective features. It's a great option for anyone looking to keep their holiday decorations safe and organized throughout the year. At just $13.99, this bag offers excellent value and peace of mind for all your seasonal storage needs. Household Essentials Wreath Storage Container. If you're looking for a reliable and convenient way to store your holiday wreaths, the Household Essentials Wreath Storage Container is an excellent choice. This sturdy, hard-sided container is covered in fabric and is both durable and stackable, making it easy to store in tight spaces. The vibrant red and green design adds a festive touch, helping you quickly spot it when it's time to decorate. The container is designed to accommodate wreaths up to 24 inches, ensuring your decorations remain safe and secure until next season. The hard-shell construction prevents any crushing, while the secure lid keeps dust, dirt, and pests out. Plus, it features convenient handles so you can easily carry it wherever needed. Whether you're storing wreaths, garlands, or other seasonal items, this container does the job with ease. It's a no-fuss solution that keeps your holiday decorations clean and ready for display year after year. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to protect your wreaths, the Household Essentials Wreath Storage Container is a top pick. It offers great value for anyone who wants to keep their holiday decor in pristine condition. DUOMSPIACE Wreath Storage Container. If you're looking for a practical and durable wreath storage solution that won't break the bank, the DUOMSPIACE Wreath Storage Container is a standout option in 2025. This storage bag is ideal for keeping your seasonal wreaths safe and organized, with the capacity to hold wreaths up to 30 inches in diameter. Constructed from tough 600D nylon Oxford fabric, it offers a sturdy and protective environment for your holiday decorations. The addition of steel wire ensures the bag keeps its shape, preventing it from collapsing while providing extra durability. The design includes 4 Velcro fasteners to securely hold your wreath in place, and a removable inner pocket that can store smaller items like garlands and ornaments. The 2 handles are another thoughtful touch, providing ease of carrying with a 1.2-inch wide grip surface. The handles are also adjustable for people of varying heights, making the bag easy to transport. Plus, a convenient card slot on the front allows you to label your storage for quick identification, ensuring you always know what's inside. Whether you're storing it in your attic, garage, or closet, this wreath storage bag offers reliability, organization, and peace of mind for your holiday decor. Highly recommended. Sterilite Wreath Box. If you're looking for the ultimate solution for storing your holiday wreaths, the Sterilite Storage Christmas Holiday Wreath Box is a top contender. Designed to accommodate wreaths up to 24 inches, this storage box offers excellent protection while maintaining easy accessibility year-round. The transparent lid makes it simple to spot your wreaths without opening the box, saving you time during busy holiday seasons. The sturdy design features a secure latching system that ensures your wreath stays in place, preventing any unwanted damage. Its comfort grip handle allows for one-handed carrying, making it ideal for quick retrieval. Whether you're storing your wreath in a closet, attic, or basement, the box's stackable design maximizes space with feet that ensure the box remains upright. Measuring 26.38 by 24.75 by 7.25 inches, the Sterilite Wreath Box provides ample space without taking up excessive room. The indexed cover allows for easy stacking, and the latches firmly secure the lid during storage. Users have praised this storage solution for its practicality and durability, making it a reliable choice for preserving your seasonal wreaths for years to come. This storage box combines functionality and style, perfect for organizing your holiday decor.